My dear students, I am before you to understand you the Flamingo book first lesson and the lesson name is the last lesson. I am describe you about the topic character sketch of M. Hamel. Now you can see in this notebook M. Hamel. I will describe you the character sketch of M. Hamel. M. Hamel is an experienced teacher who has been teaching in that village school for 40 years. As you know that M. Hamel is the central character of the lesson and he has been teaching in the school for a long time and there is a emotional bondage of him with the students. He is a very hard working teacher and students like friends who are not good learners are in great dread of being scolded by him. It means that he is a very hard teacher and the student friends with whom his relationship was not good, because one day M. Hamel told friends about to solve the topic of the participles, and the next day when friends come in the school he did not complete his homework about participles, so he always in a great fear for M. Hamel. Now the next paragraph, the later order of the Prussian conquerors upsets him. As you know that the order from the Berlin came that only German could be taught in the school of Alsace and Lorraine, and when this order came, this became M. Hamel very upset. Now he has to leave the place forever and feels heartbroken. It means that now it was M. Hamel's turn to leave the school and he feels very sad, but exercises self-control because there is a emotional bondage became between the teachers and the students, and he exercises to control his emotions with the students. And next paragraph is his performance during the last lesson is exemplary. When he performed the last lesson and his performance was very good, he is kind even to a latecomer like friends. His relations like the student friends was not good, लेकिन मतलब even on the last day of his last lesson he was very kind to the student friends and he uses a gentle and soft tone while addressing the students. And now his behavior with the students has changed because it was his last lesson and he was not very hard to the students and he uses a very gentle and soft language while teaching the students. He has a logical mind and can analyze problems and deduce the reasons responsible for it. He was a very logical teacher. It means that he can solve every problem with the reasons, how the reasons responsible for it, what and why. He gives the students reason about that problem. Now the problem for Alsace is that he puts off learning till tomorrow. It means that it was his last lesson and people of Alsace do not want that his teacher went from this school. Now the last paragraph, he knows the emotional hold of a language over its users. It means that he has a very patriotic people and he has a great love for his language and he asked others to use their mother tongue because he teaches the students that we should love our language. If we love our language, we should always love our country. He is a good communicator and explains everything patiently. He is a good communicator and explains everything. मतलब he is a very good teacher and students can understand him very properly and their topic was very clear. Partings are painful and being human, but the painful thing is that he has to leave the school at once, and it was his last lesson, and he thought that partings are very painful, and M. Hammer too is no exception. मतलब उसके पास और कोई चारा नहीं था स्कूल को छोड़ने के अलावा, बिकॉज द ऑर्डर फ्रॉम द बर्लिन हैज़ ऑलरेडी केम. He fails to say goodbye as his throat is choked. Now he wants to say goodbye to the students because he has delivered his last lesson, but his throat is choked. मतलब उसका गला रूंध सा गया था, and he cannot able to say anything about the students. On the whole, he is a patriotic gentleman, and at last we can say that he is a patriotic gentleman and he loves his country and his language very much.